Sri Guru Rayara Seva Samiti Illinois, also known as SGSS, is a non-profit organization established in 2019. The organization's purpose is to build Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami Matha and serve our community in spiritual, educational, and social spheres of life under the guiding principles of Kali Yuga Kamadhenu Sri Guru Raghavendra Swami.
This is the first time we are talking about building a Matha in Chicago area.
And really I'm glad the Rayar Matha comes. I'm sincerely praying only Thursday we Pradakshina Namaskara Madanu in this small place Bandhu Rayar Brindavan Bandhu Kuda I'll be really happy for.
When you go to America, do something special, not just an ordinary person. These are the two advices stayed with me forever. Whatever you do, contribute something. We started the journey after our first initiation of Raghavendra Aradhana in College Temple at a very, very small scale.
This Namma Matha, it is only focused on Raghavendra Swamigal Mrittika Vrindavan. So that is I really, I want one at least, and I am so glad it is coming to Chicago. Angamail Sati Ravala Bandra, I will be very happy.
The organization is in the greater Chicagoland area. Most devotees are in Chicago and its various suburbs, and some of them go as far as the neighboring states of Wisconsin and Indiana. The organization will be affiliated to Mantralaya Matha as a branch of the SRS Matha of Mantralaya. The MOU is currently under final approval from the Mantralaya Matha. Let's go back in time to see the inspiration that brought us here. Almost 29 years ago, the first Rayara Aradhane in the Chicago area was performed at Sri Venkateshwara Temple at Aurora in a very modest setting. Just one photo of Rayaru and a handful of devotees got together. Sri Dhirendra Avaru, who came to the United States in the 60s, has been part of this from the beginning.
When I came here, came in 1964, I had Raghavendra Swami Stotra with me. That's when he started. She is correct. We have traveled a long way. When we started Madhurami in Rama Temple, only Rama Temple all these, it was done in Srinivas Devara Samiti. Only 5-6 people were there. Winter. Following that, we had our Aradhana in front of Krishna Samiti. Another smaller area. It was packed. Slowly it started packing.
Between 1995 and 2004, Sri Raghavendra Swami Aradhane functions were held at the Hindu Temple of Greater Chicago at Lemont. In January 2004, 5 Rayaru devotee families started a group which eventually transformed into the SGSS organization today. By May 2004, it grew to over 9 families, and each month one of them would host the Ashtotra and everyone assembled to recite the Raghavendra Stotra. In the following years, more families got involved and the monthly chanting continued. Every year, the number of devotees attending the Aradhane and the Madhva Navami functions conducted at the Lemont Temple also continued to grow, and the desire to build a Matha in the Chicago area began to take root among the devotees. And one day in 2017, during the Ashtotra at a devotee's place, came the turning point, and then the plan to build the Matha started to take shape. Process of setting up a non-profit organization was initiated, funds were collected, and vigrahas were ordered. The next year continued to be in a formative state. And in 2019, the vigrahas arrived. The Vigraha Puja was performed. And continuing to expand in order to reach a much broader community, Samuhika Puje and Yathi Aradhane were performed. The group is engaged in carrying out various activities.
A few weeks into the stay-at-home order, Rayuru Sevakas came up with an idea of virtual gathering to connect the devotees while chanting Rayuru Stotra. Rayuru Ashtotra goes digital through the famous Zoom meetings. We started virtual Zoom chanting session every Thursday and Sunday. Here is a typical Thursday session.
So, as we welcome all, as we start our Thursday session, in addition, Bhavani and Savita are the hosts.
We'll start with Purnima.
Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame.
Namo Narayana Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Chidananda Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Namami Dutam Ramasya Sukadam Chisuradramam.
Acharyabhyo Namaha. Srimad Ananda Tirtha Bhagavad Pada Acharya Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Purna Bodha Guru Tirtha Bhagavati Parakama.
We also started learning virtually the sacred Sri Hari Vayu Stuti, composed by Sri Trivikrama Panditacharya in praise of Sri Madhvacharya every Sunday 9 to 10 a.m. Should either Thursday or Sunday fall on Ekadasi, then the program contents and durations are accordingly modified. Let's take a listen to virtual Ekadasi session.
Purapura. So when this devotee, Pundarika, after getting
All this is not possible without the anugraha of our Acharya and Raghavendra Swami on this group of Chicago area devotees.
I go to wherever I am, right?
I usually just like drawing things on the wall, but this is fun too.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like blending in the colors.
ಕತಾರ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ, ಅಮೆರಿಕ, ಓಮಾನ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸುಮಾರು 1500ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು
In 2019, the group scouted for different sites for the Matha. An independent group called Rayuru Partners was formed to help support the acquisition of the land in Elgin. When it was time to plan and perform the 2020 Raghavendra Swami Aradhane, the excitement and passion to plan and host inside the barn at this site was unmatched. Many devotees spent several weeks in preparation of the site and successfully held the Mahotsava. It was attended by several devotees at the barn following the COVID guidelines, while others remotely joined.
ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಪುಣ್ಯಾವಹ ದುಸ್ತಾಪತ್ರೇಣ ಶನೋ ಮಹಾವಂದ್ಯ
The organization has transitioned from its infancy to a robust structure involving steering committees and operational teams. A 5-year plan has been created to provide the right focus in meeting the milestones. Members reached devotees far and wide to share the vision of bringing Guru Rayaru here. Kalpavriksha program was initiated to solicit funds. With the dream of building the Matha, we are reaching you to be a part of a community of devotees. Together we can worship Rayaru. Many of you may have a special story to share, a dream to fulfill, a desire to be part of a community of Rayaru Bhaktas. We want to be a part of your journey. Whatever be your wish, you could be a part of the development of the Matha. Om Sri Raghavendraya Namaha.